Hello, everyone, and welcome to Possibility TV. As I said, I created this channel to share tips here and there to empower every African woman to overcome her fear, that thought of not being good enough, overcome her limiting beliefs so that she can achieve her biggest dreams and goals. And so far, it's been so good, and I'm so excited that every new year I take my time and create a series to help you or any of my viewers on my channel to achieve their 2024 goals. Do you know why I still keep coming back to share this? Because most of the things that I share here, I do them myself. And when I get the results, I come and I share with you as well. If I was not doing them, you wouldn't see me doing these videos again. So by God's grace, I stay on track on my goals. I'm consistent by the grace of God. And I see that it's possible, if you do it. So that's why I share this tip so that I can help women who are struggling with procrastination, struggling with achieving their goals and their dreams. They can also, you know, get those tips and use them to achieve their goals and their dreams. So this new year, we started a series, how to get the best out of a new year, or how to get the best out of 2024. Last week I shared the first series, which was how to, Grace, don't forget the title, how to start with the end, how to start the new year with the end in mind. It was a very powerful series as I was empowered myself. So if you have not watched that series and you're watching this, I don't think it will do a lot of good to you, because all the series are connected together and you need to know what we did in the first series. So go, make sure you pause this video and then go and look for the first series, how to get the best out of a new year. And we talk about how to start with the end in mind. It was a very beautiful and powerful series. Make sure you get. And then the second series, which I just uploaded a while ago on my YouTube channel, is also talking about how to intentionally plan for 2024 so that you can achieve your goals and your dreams. And in that video, I shared some great real life examples that you will not hear. It's not common, because this is my story is all about being practical. We are in a real world. You go out there, you face challenges and all that. I've shared great tips that can help you, be intentional when it comes to achieving your goals and achieving your dreams. So go on my YouTube channel and get the second series video too as well. Do make sure that when you are watching the videos, share with me the values one thing I've realized that, and I'm learning, and if people do it to me, I don't like it. So anytime I watch somebody post somebody's video or something is good, I just comment on it. Do creators, like people who put content out there for you to learn, for you to listen to and all that. Do us a favor, support us, just comment, just put something in the comments. One thing that I realized, some time back, I was so hurt. I'm human. Let me tell you the truth. When somebody told me, "Oh, I watched one of your videos on Facebook, your live videos on Facebook, and it was so," and she practically said that it was so good. And I'm like, okay, so I didn't see that you commented on the video. And I'm like, so did you put any comment that you watched? And she said no. And I'm like, oh, sister, next time just comment, because when you put in a comment and somebody sees it, it also lets somebody, oh, okay, let me go and see what is actually, excuse me to use the word, what nonsense actually Grace is talking about. Excuse me to use that word. What's Grace even talking about? So comments help people. You yourself, sometimes when you are watching some videos on TikTok and all those things, you go to the comment section and see what people have put there. What people have put there will tell you the value of the content or whatever it is. If it's funny, if it's not funny and all that. So please, when you watch the video, make sure you comment and also share it to people. Share it. One day I'm going to become a star. Anyway, that's just by the way. Let me just put that one on the table. So thank you so much for tuning. So today we are continuing, and today I told myself I'm not going to talk for too long. And I want to talk about, I told you that we're going to talk about three things in this new series for the new year. We talk about how to start the new year with the end in mind. The second video we talk about planning intentionally. You have to watch that video because I really gave out some good nuggets. And then today I want to talk about proceeding to taking action in the new year. And that is the most difficult thing to do, taking action. When you set your goals, taking action, I will not lie to you, it's the most difficult things to do. And this is where a lot of people are not able to do. And so before they realize, March has ended, July has come, September has come, and we are in December. Taking action. And today I'm going to share some few things that I do that help me to take action in achieving my goals. I'm not going to lie to you, it's very, very difficult. Now, every goal requires from you a form of discipline. You have to be disciplined to achieve your goals when you set the goals. Now, what's discipline? And from what this word I heard from one of my coaching programs, discipline is doing something when you don't feel like doing it. That's what discipline is all about. Doing something when you don't feel like doing it. And guess what? Most of the time, some of your goals, you will not feel like taking action. You will not feel like taking steps on them, and it requires you to be disciplined. That when you don't feel like doing it, that is when you have to get up and go and do it. And there's a series on my YouTube channel I call Overcoming Procrastination. It will help you a lot if you are always struggling with discipline or procrastination to take steps to achieve your goals. So make sure you go and get that video and watch. It's a 7 audio series this thing that I did is on my YouTube. You require a form of discipline to achieve your goals and to take action. And discipline, I said, means that doing the thing when you don't feel like doing it. And it's going to come, it's going to happen. I can bear witness to a clear example is yesterday. I was supposed to go over my I'm bringing out my fit book. I was going to say my SIP book because I've gotten the idea to write my SIP book already. So I was supposed to go over the book. In fact, for the past 1 week, I've been staying all night to go over this book after I got it back from my editor. And yesterday I was so tired. Now, it's different from when you are tired and your body is telling you get some rest. That please just get some rest. But if you know that you want to do something, you are not tired, but you don't follow your feelings. You follow the decision that you have made that you are going to achieve this goal, and you are going to do what you have to do to achieve your dreams. So please, I beg you, and I will say I beg you in the name of God. You have to know that your goals require a certain form of discipline from you that you can proceed to take action. The second thing I will say is that when you set your goals, ask for help. Okay, don't do it alone. Don't do it alone. So I think the second series we talk about goals enablers, and this one I'm saying it again because for you to take action, inspired action towards your goals, you have to ask for help. Look at your goals, look at your action plans, and look at the people around who can help you to take certain steps and all that. Very, very important. Sometimes you don't need too many people. You just need 1 or 2 people to contact them to do something and all that. So ask for help. If you want to take a step and maybe you are not getting the resources, it's not working and all that, don't rule out that goal. Don't get discouraged. Don't give up on it. Look for options, look for options to achieve that goals, or ask for help that will help you to be able to achieve that goal and that dream. There are lots of examples that are coming through my mind when I'm trying to pick one particular one that I can share with this series, and so when I remember, I'll share that example. Now, the third thing I want to say when it comes to taking inspired action towards your goals and your dreams is that put yourself in the right environment. Very, very important. Put yourself in the right environment. Now, for some of you, You'll be able to achieve your goals because of the kind of people or friends that you have. If you've set a goal that every evening you are going to read, or every afternoon you are going to do something, or every morning you are going to spend 1 hour to pray and all that, and you know that you have friends that will be calling you, oh, let's go here, and there's this series on TV, let's watch it, and all those things. Well, you have to let your friends know that, hey, this year I'm very intentional about achieving my goals, so I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to do that. And also, the second thing I said, put yourself in the right environment. Find the right environment that people are very conscious, very intentional in achieving their goals, and they set guidelines, they set rules for themselves and all that. One of the things that helped me a lot to achieve my goals is the coaching groups I find myself in. That's why I always pay for coaching. That's why I always put myself in those groups. They help you think above. When you get in the coaching cohort, you see the people that are there. There's no way you can say that you want to play small. So I put myself in those environments. I pay for them. Some of them, they are crazy. You think, what am I doing? Am I mad? But you see the reward in the future, and it helps me it puts fire under my bum and keeps me up to be sure that I'm on course by God's grace achieving my goal. So put yourself in the right environment. Very, very important. Now, have a big picture of who you want to be in 5 years, in 10 years time. That's one thing that also keeps me and encourages me. I have my personal big person picture affirmation. I'm Africa's #1 highly sought after, highly booked, highly paid, highly recommended international keynote conference speaker, personal and business development coach, 100 books best-selling New York author. I'm being sought all around the world, and I'm earning $10 million every year. That is my big breakthrough goal, or affirmation, or statement, or whatever you can call it. And I always look at that goal when it comes to achieving my every year goals and all that. And so all the goals I said, they are leading to this big picture. And that's one thing that helped me to stay in action. So do you have a vision for your life, where you want to be in 10 years time, in 12 years time, in 15 years time? Do you have that vision for yourself? Because that vision will gradually be pulling you, go and do this, get this book to read. I tell women that, and setting your vision is a very key component of my coaching program. Because you need to know, and vision is like creating the picture and then following it, and it helps you a lot. It motivates you, and it inspires you. So anything you see me doing, and if you've heard me saying this, I build my brand for my vision. Everything I do is because of the vision that I've created for myself. So what's the big picture about you? And I want you to know that you are big. I want you to know that's how God created you. You have a glorious purpose, a glorious destiny. And I'm talking to you, that woman. You are always looking down on yourself and you feel like you are not good enough. I want you to know, from today, don't stop looking down on yourself and stop accepting anything just like that. I want you to increase your level. I want you to know that you are made for more. You have so much good treasures in you. Stop limiting yourself and start thinking big about yourself. This is not a motivational speech. This is an inspirational speech. It's something I'm telling you for reality. Think big. That you are big. Oh yes. I strongly believe that. And with that big picture, write it down and let it keep pushing you. Let it keep motivating you. That when you want to sleep, you can't sleep. When there are some days I don't want to do anything. I just want to sleep. Oh yes. And hey, I love to sleep. Sleeping is I love to sleep. If you call me in the morning and you don't get me, I'm sleeping. Because most of the time I work at night. I don't joke. I don't play with. Hey, If you joke with my sleeping time, you don't be my friend. Oh, hey, I love to sleep. I don't joke. If you put food and sleep and I'm feeling sleepy, I'll go and sleep. When I wake up, I'll come and eat the food. I don't joke with my sleeping time because my body had been programmed in such a way that when it is time for me to sleep or have rest and I don't do it, I'll start having headaches. I don't have headaches, I don't have them. But when it's time for me to sleep and I don't sleep, I will have start having headaches. So you seriously have to, even when you don't feel like doing it, you have to move and go and do it. So today, what have we captured? I think today I was so much over myself. So the first thing I said, taking inspired action. Taking inspired action. You have to be very conscious and discipline yourself. And what do we say? Discipline means that doing it when you don't feel like doing it. Also putting yourself in the right environment. Very, very important. Find the environment that will inspire you on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis, on a daily basis, quarterly basis, by whatever basis, and the whole year. Find where you'll be that will motivate you. Look for communities that you have people who are thinking like you, people who want to achieve goals like you, and join those communities. Put yourself in them so that you will be able to achieve take action, because a goal is not a goal if you are not able to take action to achieve them. So let me end here. Let me know at the end of watching this video if what you have learned makes sense to you and you have gotten something from it. And don't forget to also share it with any woman that you know will help them change the way they think about themselves, especially what we said towards the end of this video. And hey, if you have any challenges in taking inspired actions to achieving your goals and your dreams, just feel free, okay? Feel free and reach out to me through my email, on my social media handles, which there are links to my YouTube channel. Feel free and reach, and I'll be glad to help you build that courage, confidence, clarity, and also help you take action. I call myself the action coach, and I'll help you take action to achieve your goals and your dreams. We have to end this video. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. God bless you wherever you are. Make sure you share this video, like, and subscribe to us well. God bless you. Thank you. Bye bye.